Oh.
This is what TEMU just sent me, guys. This package. Came on to this package of TEMU. Look how heavy. Damn. This shit heavy. It's heavy, y'all. Feel the impact. Let's see the impact of it. Hold up. You didn't hear it? You hear the impact of it? Damn. I'm excited to open this, y'all. That's what TEMU just sent me. A mystery box or mystery package. Let's open this bad boy. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Ricarti. In today's video, I know y'all seen the title. We are opening a mystery package from TEMU. TEMU sent me a big package. I don't know what it is. I'm excited to open it. You know what I'm saying? So, TEMU got some great stuff, you guys. Like, I swear they do. Like, last month they sent me some stuff and the stuff came out real dope. You know, I really genuinely love TEMU's, you know? I really do. So I'm excited to open this box today. So we're gonna open this box today. Not just me, we are. You guys gonna watch me open this package today. So without further ado, if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I post. Let's get to it. Okay, I'm excited, man. They sent me a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna try it all on yet because I'm too tall. Y'all won't be able to see it, bro. My tripod is not here yet, so y'all have to bear with me. Y'all won't be able to see how I'm looking. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna unbox it and just show y'all and stuff. So this is the first thing. It looks like a plaid shirt or something. Oh, this is dope. It's like half and half. Hey, this kind of fire. It's like half plaid and half. Yeah, this is tough. It's something different. Oh, this is hard. This is hard. I might crop it though. I might crop this. I don't know yet. I'm a crop type of guy, so I might crop this. This is hard though. What the hell? Okay, TEMU. This is hard. Definitely a cop. It feel like Christmas all over. Am I tripping? It feel like it's Christmas again for me. Yeah, this is hard. This is hard. This is hard. This is hard. Okay, next one's this one. Like literally, guys, I don't know what to expect for these. I don't know what it is. Okay. It's a jacket. Is it inside? Is it reversible? I don't know this part, but okay. Hope I can fit it. It's a jacket. It looks like it's inside. I don't know why I got this line here. No, it's hard though. It's black. I love anything black. It's cool. Anything black, I love. Anything black. For sure. Anything black, I love. Some white. Oh, I bet. It's a white and black tank top. You know it's starting to get hot and stuff already, so I definitely put this on. Ooh, I have a tough fit I can wear with this. I have a tough fit I'm gonna wear with this. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool, it's getting hot outside. It's starting to get, I live in LA and shit, so it's feeling real start to get hot. This is, I have a fire pants and stuff to go with this fit. Let's see what this is. Another tank top. I got black, opposite of that one, black and white this time. It's cool, you know, I got tattoos and stuff so I can show it off with some black shades. Summer vibes, okay. Type shit. These some pants. Okay. Uh-oh, these kind of tough. And they look like they're like a little stretchable on the bottom. Yeah, these kind of tough. They're like jogger pants, kind of. Yeah, these kind of tough. Uh-oh. I like the zippers. The two zippers, I fuck with that. Uh-oh. And it's black. Uh-oh. Okay. Bro, this is actually fun. Like, what the heck? I'm actually having fun right now. I feel like it's literally Christmas. I'm having fun right now. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm having extremely amounts of fun. I feel like it's Christmas right now. Okay. I think this is another tank top. Man, TEMU said they were. Oh, I have another fit with this. I got some nice gallery green shorts, the same color as this. That's gonna be so hard on me. It's the same color, bro. Hopefully it matches. But yeah, TEMU, they said they ready for me to. They ready for the summer with me. Definitely gonna wear that for the summer. Going to the beach. Oh my, I'm gonna look so handsome. They know I love these. These are my favorite hats. I don't want to open it though. Y'all get the concept. These hats are dope. I don't feel like opening it. You seem like these are some blue jeans. That's what I'm getting from it. Getting blue jean vibes, I think. Hard. Oh! Nah, this is an overall. Uh-oh. TEMU, what the heck? What y'all doing to me, bruh? Overall? Oh, this about to be so tough. Oh my, and it's, oh my gosh, this fit, I had to get my hair done for this fit. This is definitely spring vibes. Oh, TEMU, y'all did not have to do that. This is an overall? Oh, that's about to be tough. I haven't worn an overall since elementary, bro. I remember I had my fit about to be tough. Oh my gosh, TEMU, y'all did not have to do that. These are Army something. Oh, these are tough. Oh my gosh. Yo. Oh my, these are tough. TEMU, what are y'all doing, bruh? TEMU, what are y'all doing? Seriously, TEMU, these are tough. Oh my God. And they smell good. TEMU, what are y'all doing? And I like how this string hangs on the bottom. And they're flared. And they're baggy. TEMU, what are y'all doing? Seriously, TEMU. What y'all got going on, bruh? Why y'all giving me this much drip? This is crazy. Oh my goodness, I love these. Oh my, I can't wait to drop a fit pick, man. And I got some other Army pants too, but these are better. I like the darker green. TEMU, what y'all got going on, TEMU? Low key, I'm trying these on after the video. This is hard. Most of the stuff is black now, y'all. Jumpsuit? Nah, this is hard. This is cool. Jumpsuit, and it looks like it's a little flare. And then it's like a long sleeve. I'm definitely cropping this. It's like a long sleeve. This is fire. This is dope. Dope, 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 dope. Yo. TEMU. Yo. Oh my. This is hard. It's a jacket and they got like straps on like right here. Nobody's wearing this jacket, bro. No, I've never seen nobody with this type of jacket on. Oh, I might throw it with the Army pants. Oh, this is tough. I might have to try that on too after. I'm sorry, bro. That's tough. What the? TEMU, what the? Yeah, where doesn't have the? Damn, that shouldn't even come with it. How did I get it on there? Another pair of pants? Oh. Oh, it's a hoodie! Oh my gosh, bro, it's a hoodie. It's like a charcoal faded hoodie, bro. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Oh my gosh, bro. Damn, I might try to try that on with that too, bro. TEMU, what you got going on, bro? That shit's fire, bro. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this must be some type of jacket. Oh. Oh. It's like leather. This is tough. Oh my God. What the? Nah, this is tough. I'm gonna try that on too after. All right, last one, y'all. It looks like a jersey. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a hockey jersey. This is tough. Bro, I never had a hockey jersey before. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. This is tough. What fit would I wear with this though? Ooh, I have a fit in mind. Nah, this is tough. What hat? I gotta style this good. Oh my gosh. I think this is a Mighty Ducks, I believe. This is tough. Yo. This ain't fair, bro. I'm gonna try that on too, y'all. That's it though. Wow. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That was a W open box haul, bro. Like, TEMU sent me some great stuff, y'all. Like, I'm sorry, bro. Y'all gotta shop at TEMU, man. Cause that was fully pressure. Like I like every piece they sent me, bro. Like, I will be wearing them. And I'm gonna make content on my Instagram. Go follow my Instagram, matter of fact. It's rsuggs23 if you wanna see me in those fits. Come start creating short form content. I'm gonna be posting it on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. I would say it was 10 out of 10. Every piece was fire. I have an idea how I'm gonna style it. Stay tuned to that. Hey man, I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, man. All this fashion content is coming together, man. I'm rolling this content out. Just hit the subscribe button and hit like the video. That's all I ask. 2 things. Hit the subscribe button, like the video. That's all I ask, please. I appreciate it. And hit the notification bell so you know when I post. Let's get it. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.